ZD7-630 Pro Series. Product appearance. Main features: performance improvement, striving for excellence. Inverter multifunctional power supply. ZD7-630 Pro Inverter Multifunctional Arc Welding Power Source. ZD7-1250 Pro Inverter Multifunctional Arc Welding Power Source. ZD7-1600 Pro Inverter Multifunctional Arc Welding Power Source. Multifunctional power supply. Submerged arc welding, flux cord welding, manual welding, carbon arc gouging and electroslag welding. Self-owned circuit breaker control technology. Selection of constant voltage and constant current, panel and remote function. The product has a wide range of supporting uses. IP23S enclosure protection level. Supporting a CDC arc power supply. Implement double arc double wire or multi-wire welding system. 100% 40 degrees rated load duration rate, suitable for heavy industry and high-intensity operations. 80 kHz output frequency, low output current and voltage ripple. High weld quality and uniform forming. 25 mm carbon steel double-sided welding without groove.